Hello, I'm Ashley. Today we are at Hearing Partners Farrer Park. I have with me Shermaine. Shermaine is an audiologist and she'll be sharing more with us about what goes on during a hearing test. Hi Shermaine.
Hi.
So Shermaine, where can we go to do a hearing test?
So you can go to any of our Hearing Partners centers to get a hearing test done.
And what happens during a hearing test?
The procedure is rather simple. After signing up at the front desk, your audiologist will ask you some routine questions. Afterwards, the audiologist will check your ear to ensure there isn't any medical condition that is causing a hearing loss, in which you may have to see an ENT doctor. For the main part of a hearing test, you will be seated down on a chair with a headphone and a button presser. The audiologist will play sounds at different volumes and different frequencies for one of your ears at a time to test if you can hear the sound. When you hear the sound, you just have to click on the button to let the audiologist know.
Do I have to pay for a hearing test?
No, generally a hearing test is free unless you are told to do a diagnostic assessment in which a separate charge will be incurred.
And how will I know if my hearing is bad?
Upon finishing the hearing test, you will receive a hearing test report that reflects any possible signs of hearing loss.
Do I need to buy a hearing aid if my hearing is bad?
You are not required to buy a hearing aid after the hearing test. However, I will strongly recommend you to take proactive steps in managing your hearing loss.
But what if I'm not comfortable with wearing a hearing aid?
Hearing Partners offers a wide range of hearing aids with different features and price level. Ultimately, I will advise you to get a hearing aid that best suits your needs. If you're still unsure, Hearing Partners provides a free 1-week trial where you can experience the benefits of wearing a hearing aid.
Thank you, Shermaine, and thank you for watching the video today. We hope we have cleared most of your queries on a hearing test. Bye!